Yo, what's up everyone? Check it here, Chicago Tribe, Dancing Turtle. So let's go to Taos. Let's go camping, let's get set, get on the bike. Yo, made it to Taos. Was going to Luna Mystica and couldn't camp there because yeah, it was they had a wedding going on, and so I lost my original camping spot. So I decided to drive up to the Taos ski valley just to see what's up. Ended up finding this really cool spot right over here. So let's head that way. Let's check it out. Fire pit, nice little spot to pitch a tent. Right next to the river. It's a little close to the road, but that's okay. I don't mind. It's better than paying $130, $140 for a hotel in Taos, because that was the cheapest that they had. So yeah, let's get set up. Gotta have coffee. It's beautiful out here. Yo, what's up everyone? It's been a great time here in Taos, New Mexico. But it's about that time to get home, so we may take a detour or two. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace, y'all. Fuck. Holy shit.